For me, Zoho Projects did the trick.
Zoho really helps me in remembering things.
Zoho has a full package.
Where the team is using Zoho and all the power to them.
We found it was a very good way to track. We are a very eclectic group at Myelin. The idea is that when people do what they enjoy doing, then we get the best results.
We founded Myelin Foundry in 2019 with the idea that we would definitely work with AI. We took a bet that AI would be a big matter for the industry, and we were right. I was the group CTO for Tata Sons. That was for 5 years. Before that, I was with GE, General Electric, for 12 years. I was leading their technology teams in India across all the verticals.
They're working on the most happening thing, artificial intelligence, bringing out solutions for media entertainment, automobile, and industrial automation. So that's a wide breadth of solutions that we're working on.
So we do have complex projects. We do have collaborations with customers, vendors, partners in the global sense, right? So we'll have a hardware partner like a Qualcomm. We'll have a software partner like a Microsoft. By partnership, I mean actual partnership. It's not that we're using these tools, we're working with the teams. So in order to be able to effectively manage this as a project is where the team is using Zoho and all the power to them.
It all started with the way we were handling the projects. So earlier, a lot of action used to happen over spreadsheets, and then there was no automated communication happening, and then there were gaps in how we were tracking it, and then how it gets assigned to the individuals and then gets completed. So that's when the magical tool Zoho Projects came in, and we started using it. For me, Zoho Projects did the trick. What Zoho Projects brought us was the organize, execute, deliver. I can tell you the amount of hassle that it has resolved by allowing us to have it all organized in one place. That has brought in phenomenal impact in our predictability of the outcomes. So that's a great benefit that we have seen.
At Myelin, we tried a few other project management tools which are either too expensive or they were not perfectly aligned to the kind of startup, the spate of how we are working on different projects simultaneously and trying to manage them. They were more towards like one particular industry or something like that. So Zoho, we found, so the product team, they actually started using it first, and then we found it was a very good way to kind of track what everybody's doing. In marketing also, we adopted it pretty quickly. I can say that we are still exploring what projects has to offer. And but yeah, it's like it's just always open in my laptop. I'll have the Kanban view, and I'm always tracking. So in way of exploring what it does, we've also started tracking people's accountability, the billability as well through Zoho Projects. So it's starting to get more and more integrated into what we do at Myelin.
Variety of tasks in my plate every day, so it's quite hard to remember, and I can get quite fidgety with writing down notes and leaving them here and there. But Zoho really helps me keep on track of what's going on and what has to be completed and what's on priority and all of these things. So Zoho has been quite helpful in these things.
So before coming to Myelin, I had not used Zoho, to be very frank. I was using Jira and Microsoft Azure DevOps tools for project management and bug tracking. But here, when I came and I got introduced to Zoho, I found it quite an easy tool to learn and get adept to, because it's based on, it supports Agile a lot. Like we use Zoho Sprints for the Agile workflow model and daily stand-up Scrum meeting. We can use Scrum and Kanban boards as well. It gives us a very transparent aspect of looking into each other's work, and we can even expose it to the client. That's the best thing. Zoho is a full package for any company or any product to have an on-time delivery.